In this video, we will see 7 reasons why rapid sketching is so important for both artists and architects. But before starting the video, I would like to say that if you are a beginner, I would recommend you to start by sketching small objects. It can be anything around you, like a chair, a pencil, a planter, a clock. Set a timer, give yourself 1 minute or 2 minutes, no more than 5 minutes, and draw within the time you gave yourself. Don't think too much, just draw. That's really important because overthinking will hinder this exercise. And if you don't like the resulting drawing, it's alright. You are challenging your brain to focus on the basic form instead of the unimportant details. This is the kind of exercise the more you will do, the more you will improve, so give yourself just a few minutes per day to practice every single day. Now, here are 7 reasons why rapid sketching is so important. Capturing ideas on the fly. Rapid sketching will allow you to seize your ideas as they come, unfiltered and spontaneous. This is like a getaway to the creative mind. It allows you to quickly externalize your thoughts and idea onto paper, capturing the essence of your imagination without getting bogged down in details. Rapid sketching opens up new possibilities, fostering a free flow of ideas that might otherwise remain hidden in the mind. This unhampered flow of creativity helps preserve unique concepts that might otherwise slip away, ensuring that nothing is lost in the process of creation. Exploring concepts. Sketching is a means of exploration. It enables you to test different composition, forms, and design elements swiftly. By quickly putting down ideas on paper, you can experiment with multiple concepts and variation, gaining insight into what works best and refining your vision as you progress. Rapid sketching also allows you to explore various visual and design languages, honing your craft and developing a signature style that sets you apart. Problem solving and visualizing. Especially in architecture, rapid sketching is an essential tool during the design process. You can use quick sketches to address design challenges, spatial arrangement, and structural consideration. Seeing ideas in visual form will help you grasp the potential issues and identify solutions more effectively than through written notes or mental visualization. Enhancing communication. Artists and architects often need to convey their ideas to client collaborators or team members. Rapid sketches serve as a universal language, enabling clear and concise communication. A sketch can evoke emotions and convey concepts far more powerful than words alone. It bridges the gap between imagination and reality, allowing others to understand your vision. This aspect is particularly beneficial in collaborative projects where visual representation aids in aligning everyone's understanding of the design direction. Building a portfolio of ideas. Keeping a sketchbook filled with rapid drawings is like having a treasure trove of creative sparks. These rough sketches serve as references and inspirations for future projects. Exploring diverse subjects and experimenting with various techniques during rapid sketching will allow you to build a reservoir of ideas that can be revisited and expanded upon later. Similarly, you can accumulate a vast collection of conceptual sketches that can be revisited, adapted, or combined for future design, helping you enrich your repertoire and continuously evolve as a professional. Improving hand-eye coordination and boosting confidence. Consistent practice of rapid sketching sharpens hand-eye coordination. The ability to fluidly translate mental images to the physical realm is crucial for artists and architects. As you master this skill, your drawings become more accurate, precise, and expressive, enabling you to create more detailed and captivating works. The more you practice rapid sketching, the more confident you become. Sketching trains the hand to obey the mind's creative impulses, making it easier to translate ideas into reality. Rapid sketching also encourages adaptability and resilience, as you will learn to embrace imperfections and integrate unexpected elements into your work. Time efficiency and flexibility. Rapid sketching enables artists to generate multiple ideas quickly, saving time in the conceptualization phase. Additionally, it allows for greater flexibility when changes are required, as adjustment can be made swiftly without investing too much time in a single concept. So, the importance of rapid sketching, the creative process, cannot be overstated. Beyond its evident benefits in generating ideas quickly and efficiently, this practice nurtures creativity, sharpens problem-solving skills, and boosts overall artist development. Thank you for watching, and if you still have time, you can check out these other cool videos here or read some guides directly on my website linked in the description below. I also share stuff on Instagram, so feel free to come say hi.